Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been trading for years, there's one mistake that quietly drains your account, kills your confidence, and keeps you from ever becoming profitable. Today, we're breaking it down, and I promise, if you avoid this, you'll instantly be ahead of 90% of traders. Let's go! Section 1. The setup. Trading looks simple from the outside. You buy low, sell high, and make money, right? But in reality, most traders lose. And no, it's not just because of bad luck, the market being rigged, or not having the perfect strategy. The truth is, the biggest trading mistake isn't even about technical analysis or market news. It's about what's happening right here, points to head. Your mindset and discipline. And the number one mistake that destroys traders? Overtrading. Overtrading means taking too many trades, risking too much, and ignoring your plan. Usually because of emotions like greed, fear, or boredom. Section 2. Why overtrading happens. Let's be real, trading can be addictive. You get that little dopamine rush when you enter a trade. It's exciting, especially if you win a few in a row. But here's the trap. You start chasing every little move. You ignore your strategy because you feel like the market is giving you an opportunity. And before you know it, you've taken 10 trades in a day when your plan only called for 2. This isn't trading, it's gambling, and the house always wins in the end. Section 3. The real cost of overtrading. Overtrading doesn't just cost you money, it costs you mental clarity. When you take too many trades, your decision-making suffers. You start risking more to make back losses, you lose patience and discipline. It's like trying to win a boxing match by throwing punches non-stop. You'll gas out, and the market will knock you out cold. Here's a fact. Even great strategies fail if you execute them too often or outside of your rules. Trading success isn't just about finding good trades, it's about avoiding bad ones. Section 4. Signs you're overtrading. Wondering if you're guilty of this mistake? Here are some red flags. You trade just because you're bored, not because your setup appeared. You increase your position size after a loss, trying to win it back. You take trades outside your trading hours or strategy. You check the market every 5 minutes, looking for something to trade. If any of these sound familiar, it's time for a serious reset. Section 5. How to stop overtrading. Here's how to break the cycle. 1. Have a clear trading plan. Know exactly when you'll enter, exit, and how much you'll risk per trade. 2. Limit the number of trades. Decide in advance how many trades you'll take in a day or week. Stick to it. 3. Set a daily profit and loss limit. Hit your target, stop trading. Hit your loss limit, stop trading. 4. Review your trades weekly. Track whether each trade followed your rules. If not, ask why. This isn't sexy advice, but it's the stuff that separates profitable traders from the rest. Section 6. Final advice. Listen, trading isn't about being in the market all the time. It's about being in the market at the right time. Think about professional snipers. They don't shoot at every movement they see. They wait for the perfect shot. Trading is exactly the same if you're constantly clicking the buy and sell buttons just to stay active. You're not trading, you're gambling. The market will still be here tomorrow, next week, and next year. There will always be another opportunity. But your capital? Once it's gone, it's gone. Your only job is to protect that capital and wait patiently for high-probability setups that fit your plan. Patience is a trader's hidden weapon. It allows you to strike when the odds are in your favor instead of letting emotions push you into bad trades. So remember this. 1 good trade is better than 10 bad ones. You don't get paid for activity, you get paid for accuracy. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and share it with someone who's struggling with overtrading or discipline. And if you want more real, no-fluff tips on avoiding costly mistakes in trading, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our trading community. Trade smart, stay disciplined, protect your capital, and I'll see you in the next one.